In any language, parts of speech are fundamental categories of words based on their function within a sentence. Understanding the parts of speech is crucial for mastering the mechanics of a language, as it helps in constructing grammatically correct and effective sentences. This knowledge not only enhances writing skills but also improves reading comprehension and communication abilities. Capitalization rules are essential in written language as they help convey respect, denote significance, and clarify sentence structure. Understanding and applying capitalization rules correctly enhances the readability of texts and ensures proper emphasis and respect where needed. Key rules include capitalizing the first word of a sentence, proper nouns, titles and headings, days, months, and holidays. Punctuation marks are the traffic signals of language, they guide the reader through the thoughts expressed in writing. Key punctuation marks include periods, dot, and declarative sentences, commas, comma, list items or clauses and separate introductory elements. Question marks indicate questions, exclamation points express excitement or emphasis, colons happy smiley introduce lists or explanations, semicolons link independent clauses or organize complex lists, quotation marks denote speech or quotations, apostrophes show possession or contractions. Basic parts of speech. The basic parts of speech include nouns, words that name people, places, things, or ideas, example, woman, city, happiness, dot, verbs, words that express action or being, example, run, seem, dot, adjectives, words that describe or modify nouns, example, beautiful, large, dot, adverbs, words that modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, often indicating manner, time, or place, example, quickly, very, dot, supporting parts of speech, pronouns, replace nouns to avoid repetition, example, he, they, dot, prepositions, show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence, example, on, at, dot, conjunctions, connect words, phrases, or clauses, example, and, because, dot, interjections, express strong emotions or reactions, example, wow, ouch, dot. These parts of speech enhance the flow and emotional expression in language, providing clarity and variety in sentence construction. Understanding the parts of speech and the rules governing capitalization and punctuation are foundational to mastering any language. These elements work together to form coherent, structured, and effective communication. By learning and practicing these fundamentals, one can significantly improve their writing, enhance readability, and convey messages with precision and clarity.